on today's workshop on AI and ML Essentials, Learning and Career Pathways. I will be guiding you through this session today. I'm your data science trainer for today's session. Whether you're a fresher, a non-IT professional, or an experienced AI/ML expert, this workshop is designed to provide you with valuable insights into AI, its application, and career opportunities. Let's dive in. So, artificial intelligence or AI refers to machines mimicking human intelligence. Machine learning or ML is a subset of AI where machines learn from the data. Well, think of AI as the brain and ML as a learning process. Deep learning, which is advanced ML technique, uses neural networks similar to how brain processes information. Everyday applications of AI includes virtual assistant like Siri, recommendation system on Netflix, and self-driving cars. Okay, now real-world applications of AI ML, right? So AI is transforming every industry, be it in healthcare, like AI helps doctor diagnose diseases early and even assist in robotic surgeries. In finance, AI detects frauds and enables algorithm trading. Retail uses AI for customer insights and personalized recommendations. Manufacturing benefits from AI powered predictive maintenance, which reduces downtime and improves efficiency. Now, there are when we are coming into the picture, like how AI is shaping the job market. So the AI is revolutionizing the AI revolution is creating massive job opportunities. Well, according to reports, over 80% of businesses will integrate AI by 2030. AI related jobs are growing 40% annually, with the highest demand in tech, finance, healthcare, and retail. The most sought after skills include data science, natural language processing, which we also known as NLP, AI ethics, and AI security. Okay, so that's how the job market in AI is getting shaped up, and pretty much the market is booming nowadays. Even people, you are hearing that recession is coming on, but honestly the AI market, it's still on its flow. So it's one of the skills which is getting hired at a rapid scale because of two reasons. People are currently trying to adopt AI. Okay, and there is a rush of AI startups, so you can go there and explore your talent in AI. So it's a very great opportunity in the job market right now. Now, uh, obviously, coming on, like when you're talking about opportunity, right? So you need to see how you want to crack that opportunity. See, you would know that you want to do AI, but what do you want to do in AI? Have any idea? No. So there are three parts which I've divided. So to make this session more relevant, I've categorized AI learning pathways into three groups: freshers who are just looking to start in AI. They don't have any core knowledge, any knowledge in AI, but they are just wanted to start and get certain entry level jobs in AI. The second part is for non-IT professionals, those who don't know what are like regarding IT things, who want to transition into AI related roles. Okay. And the third part is obviously for experienced AI/ML professionals looking to advance their expertise. Pick the path that best fits your background. Okay. Now, freshers AI/ML learning path. So, for those new to AI, start by learning Python and key libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Okay. So, if you see over here, so understanding basic ML concepts like linear regression, decision trees is very important. Okay, because ML concepts are like this, which fill up your fundamentals. Because you can't crack a job until unless your fundamentals are completely clear. So you have to focus on certain ML algorithms which are really needed before you dive into your journey on AI/ML path. Okay. Now, to build expertise, work on hands-on projects in platforms like Kaggle. Okay, so Kaggle is one of the good platforms where you can go there and you can just see about like how you can work there. Okay, so let me show you how Kaggle is basically. So this is Kaggle, okay, where you will find datasets which are given. There are many public datasets. Pick up any public dataset, okay, and there will be the dataset looks like this. Okay, every dataset is different. Okay, if you don't know how to start coding, there are codes also available by open source contributors. Okay, so you can go there. Did my screen share is off? Okay, apparently my screen got unshared. So let me resume. Okay, so basically this is Kaggle. Okay, now Kaggle is basically one of the largest community of AML platform. Over here, you can go there and you can see about there are open source data sets. Say I go here and pick Fruit 360 dataset, right? Over here, if you see the dataset, every dataset is different. Okay, you can go there and you can see these datasets. Okay, there are pictures in the datasets. So if you don't know how to use these datasets, open source contributors are there. Okay, those who help you to write the code. You can see these codes and learn. Okay, so Kaggle is one of the best platform where you can start building your projects because you get the open source dataset, you get the code at the beginning level, and then after seeing those code and understanding those datasets for say 6 months, 7 months, you understand that how you want to build the project. Okay, and that's how you go on with your learning path. Okay, now anyways, pick the path that's best fits your background. And so there are career roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, and deep learning engineer. Okay, pick obviously the path which suits or fits your background. Okay, now for non IT professionals. Okay, well, for those new to AI, start by learning Python key libraries. Okay, and okay, so if you don't have a technical background, okay, you can still work in AI. Okay, so focus on understanding AI concepts, no code tools like Google AutoML and IBM Watson, and AI applications in businesses. Well, AI is revolutionizing finance, healthcare, and marketing. Some AI jobs for non-IT professionals include AI/ML product manager, business intelligence analyst, and AI researcher. Okay, so basically, you can use these tools. There are many tools apart from these. Now you have heard about DALI. Okay, say DALI is a tool from where you can generate images. There is a tool by Meta. Okay, in Meta, the tool which is given that you can ask Meta's LLM. That's Llama 3, I guess. So you can ask that Meta LLM that give me or generate this particular image or generate me an email. You can draft an email through Meta. Okay, so these are the capabilities which you can use for your day-to-day work. Okay, say for example you are trying to think of a design, you can ask the Google tool or Google Auto, you can ask the tools, AI tools, to generate you an image of that, generate you an architecture of that. So use those things. Okay, now career roles are mainly as an AIML product manager. So product manager, you guys need it. Okay, there is business intelligence analyst. Okay, Now, as a business intelligence analyst, it's very required. As an AIML researcher, even if you don't know about IT things and you're researching on AIML, so ML or AI isn't only about coding. It's mostly about statistics. It's mostly about mathematics. Okay. So if you are going into AI and ML, don't think that you have to just sit there and code. Okay. Your code might run, but you are seeing that your model is running fine, but the model's accuracy is 74%. So 74% accuracy is nothing in the market of today's model. We need more than 95, we need more than 98. So when the thing comes an AI engineer or researcher, you guys need to optimize the model. You guys need to think that what are the other statistics method or what are the other methods which we can implement so that we can build the model accuracy. The more better optimization you do, the better your career aspects gonna be. Okay. So now, uh, okay. Now, for experienced AI professionals, the focus should be on emerging trends. Okay, like federated learning, explainable AI, and auto ML. Okay, AI ethics is crucial field as regulations increases. AI engineers should stay updated with research and work on advanced AI infrastructure. Common career paths includes obviously senior machine learning engineer, data engineer, and AML consultant. But whenever you are going as an experienced professional, you guys need to understand the value of it. Okay, as I talked about in the non-IT part of the PPT, that optimization is the key part. Okay, when you're an experienced guy, so you have to focus on optimization. You have to focus on the model scalability, that how efficient the model is. Rather, the most important part is that how much small you can make the model. Okay, so the size of the model do depend. If a person is creating a model of 98% accuracy with say 1 GB of a model is there, and another person is creating this with the same accuracy but within 800 MB, the 800 MB will be preferred because it can run in more low-end devices. Okay, so optimization is one of the key factors which needs to be considered when you're going. Okay, but yeah, model deployment is MLOps, which is being said. Okay, now there are many MLOps techniques which are being introduced. Okay, so you can go there and say of Google's cloud, say Vertex AI. Vertex AI is one of the prime examples which you use. Okay, for model deployment and model creation. So you can go around that. Um, okay, so next the job market and salary insights. Okay, so now let's talk about salaries. Okay, in entry level AI engineers earn between 60K to 90K dollars. Okay, so annually. Now, AIML consultant can earn between 80K to 120K dollars annually, obviously, and senior AI engineers can make upwards of 200K. Now, AI jobs are highly lucrative and demand is growing exponentially. Upskilling in AI is great investment in your future career. Like if you are trying to see the job market within 10 years, it's all about AI. If you don't know in this tech market what is AI, or you don't know or you're not learning about AI, you're far behind in your generation in the industry. When you are in the industry, you need to gear up and learn about AI, learn about the latest trends, learn about the latest technology which are being used in the day-to-day life, or which might be used within the next 10 years. And trust me when I say that AI is one of the technologies which is being just starting, and it will be used for the next 10 to 15 years. Okay, so if you think of learning AI, if you think of building your portfolio, building your resume, building your career on this, it's a great platform to do, and it's a great investment for your future career. Now, when we talk about career, so before talking about career, so these are the certain roles apart from the entry level engineers. So, machine learning engineer, it's an like survey done. Okay, so I've taken it from the survey. So, don't in India it's 11 lakhs, or US it's 15316. So, I have given all the data. So you can take a screenshot, or you can take the PPT and see what are the salary structure given in US, or if you're in India, what is given in India. Okay. So yeah. Now, whenever we talk about like salary, so we are talking about the job market, we're thinking about the salary. Now we have to think, okay, so this is our aim. So we got the aim. Now how to achieve that aim? The next question should be that I have an aim, I have a destination. How can I achieve that destination, right? So for achieving that destination, you need a roadmap. Now, how to do that? So to start your AI career, follow these steps. First, learn AI fundamentals through courses on InsureTech Skills, and you can go there and you can learn the latest technologies. Okay, say on AI or any other field. Now, next, after you have learned, after you have gathered the skills, after you have understood that this is a things. So after you are started your study, the next should be your work on hands-on project using Kaggle and Google Colab. Google Colab is another platform where you can run or execute your code, and so that's your doing. That you have to start the hands-on project. You can't sit there and just do the theoretical part. If you're just doing the theoretical part and not implementing, you're not seeing that where you can go wrong. So start implementing as soon as you start to read. Okay. So another thing, build a strong portfolio showcasing your project. After you understood, after you have done your mistakes, after you have done hands-on projects, bring a strong portfolio, bring a good project, bring project which is more complex. Okay, so do that. And obviously, finally, network with AI professionals on LinkedIn and attend AI meetups to increase job opportunities. Until unless you build your network, is nothing. Okay. Well, I was saying that network is a net worth. Okay. So that's it, dude. People need to learn skills. People need to implement it. People need to build a strong portfolio. And after you do all these things, you need to meet the right person whom you can show your portfolio and who respects what you have done. So there's a thing. Now, obviously, your question comes that how I can do this, how I can do so much things at a single instance. So for that only, I have given you some resources. So first, when you start about, say you want to do fundamentals, you want to learn fundamentals. Okay, best platforms are there to guide you. InsureTech Skills is one of the platforms which give you certifications. Why you gonna learn something and you don't get certificate of it? Okay, right? You can see me that you can learn from YouTube, but where's certification? So you need certifications to prove your authenticity, right? So InsureTech Skills give you those certifications, give you those structured program. So that's where you can follow the thing. After that, there is a for practice platform. I just say go to Kaggle, go to Google Colab, and grind over there. What I mean by grind is work day and night. Okay, and then you can have an idea. Join AI communities like LinkedIn AI groups, GitHub communities, and attend AI meetups. See where are the meetups are going on. Do the attend them, and yeah, you're good to go there. So I've given the link where you can do the course. Okay, uh, I've given the link of InsureTech Skills. You can go there and you can build your AI journey on it. Okay. Now, I will say one thing before going on, that AI is the future, and now is the best time to get involved. Um, whether you are starting fresh, transitioning from another field, or experienced AI professional, there are incredible opportunities waiting for you. Keep learning, keep building, and stay ahead of the AI revolution. So that's it from my side. Thank you everyone for listening to the workshop. Hope we meet. Thank you.
Archie, uh, from students, some questions I send you on WhatsApp. Can you discuss related on this?
Sure, 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 sure. What's up, right?
Yes.
Yes. So the first question is, what specific roles such as data scientist or machine learning engineer do you think most aligned with your career aspiration? And how can you use AIML skills to achieve those skills? Okay. So for me, I think the specific roles such as data scientist, with a well, career aspiration, AIML skills, if you want to go for MLE, that is machine learning engineer, data scientist, you need to understand, have strong fundamentals on statistics, strong fundamentals on mathematics. After you get those things, after you get those concepts clear, you can start building on the latest technologies like generative AI, okay, building the architecture. So that you can do. Okay. Now, the next question which I see is that what specific career roles do you think AI and ML knowledge can help you pursue? And how would these roles align with your personal interest and career goals? Okay. So as I said, that the knowledge you can with the AML knowledge you can pursue with the job market. I have given you already that with data engineer, entry level AI engineer, AML consultant. Okay. Say there are many other job profiles like NLP engineer for non-tech fields also there have. So I have discussed those things. So those are things which you can do. Okay. Now, obviously, it would like personal interest and career goals. So if you are a non-IT, if you are an IT, doesn't matter. Non-IT guy don't needs to be that technical. Just use the AI tools so that you can develop better and more fast and more efficiently. I always say don't depend on AI tools, but use AI tools to learn faster. Okay. Now, okay, so the next question is, what skills related to AI and ML would you prioritize learning to enhance your career growth, and how would you apply them to everyday tasks? Okay, so it's a very interesting question. Okay, so skills that you need to prioritize is, uh, in my point of view, is not learning coding. I am emphasizing it's not learning about coding. You can get the code from the tools like ChatGPT. What you need to know is how to build a systematic architecture. Building on architecture and focusing on making the architecture which is scalable, which is efficient, which is good. And you need a lot of practice in doing it. Okay. For building a model, you just don't build a model and stay like that. You need to fine tune it. You need to give certain parameters. Okay. To tune it. Okay. That I am giving this parameter so that this is giving me this efficiency. So that is the main thing. Now, obviously, okay, going to the next question. So, what advice would you give to someone aiming to advance the career in AI and ML by building expertise in emerging area like neural architecture, search, or AI ethics? Okay. Um, as I said earlier, if you are building a neural architecture and AI ethics, remember AI ethics is important. Okay. Just blindly doing AI won't work. You have seen about DeepSeek, right? And DeepSeek can be misused if I'm not wrong. Okay. So the question is that how you're using AI. Everything can be used in bad or in a good sense. But if you're using AI to develop or to solve a problem, that what matters most. Okay. So when you're building AI system, remember it should solve a problem, not create a new problem. Okay, so focus on that. And when you're building these things, like every day, each and every 3 months, things change. Um, Technology change, but the core remains the same. Okay, new things are coming up, so stay updated with those technologies what are coming up. Learn through research paper, don't learn through YouTube. Learn through the research paper which you see. There are many research papers which are coming on each and every day. Find some research paper with good citation. Understand those basic things, that what are the new technologies which are being implemented. After you understood these things, things will get more clear, and one day might you be developing certain research paper on your own. Okay, so how do you see demand for AI/ML professional evolving in next few years, and what steps are you taking to future proof your career? Okay, so within next few years, I won't take the guarantee, but within next 10 years, AI is the future. Because within 5 years you have seen most, like there's a revolution on AI. Whatever you're seeing on AI is whatever you're seeing around yourself, it's running on AI. Okay, nowadays many things what you do is running on AI. Nowadays you're getting dependent on AI somehow. So this has a very good career aspect in professional terms. And to future proof your career, you have to stay updated with the technology each and every day. If you see GPT has released from 3 to 3.5 to 4 to 4.0, it's O1, it's now O3 is getting released. Recently GPT 4.5 has been released. So can you imagine, within some years so many models are being released. Each and every day there is a new startup AI company. Recently DeepSeek has been released, DeepSeek R1, which is said that he is starting to beat ChatGPT. So you are seeing the competition in the market. So to prove, like to future proof your career, first thing, get your fundamentals straight, get your fundamentals strong. If you don't make your fundamentals strong, then things won't go right. After you make the fundamentals strong, you can build on top of that. So yeah, you can do that. Okay, so this is a thing which we do, and obviously in the next workshop, if we do, in the next workshop we can do some practical. So stay tuned for that, because just doing theoretical isn't fun, right? If you do more on hands-on, you get to experience the hands-on stuff. So why not? So let's stay tuned for the next workshop, where we will go on and we'll learn or build certain AI product. So thank you everyone for listening to this session.